Man, you can't have nothing. Y'all see this? Just a few days ago, it looked like these lettuces were going to grow back. And I just kind of set these here just as a crop that they looked like they were dying early on in the season, and I just kind of left them here. And they were starting to come back. But y'all look, I looked outside, look what I see. Do y'all see this? Y'all see all this damage? Now there's nothing in here. That's bingo. But do y'all see this? And so I come out today to figure out what is going on. What is eating? Let me show y'all something. See if y'all can see this. Where's my camera? Y'all see that? Look at that. And there's the corporate. Some kind of caterpillar, worm type deal. Y'all see that? Let me move this leaf so you can see it real good. Focus. Y'all see that little bugger right there? Look at that. But he ain't alone. Look, one done fell off. Look at that. He just done ate and still eating. Well, y'all, this is my latest garden chronicle here. Look at this. Well, at least they're eating these and not the rest of my stuff that I'll show you guys in just a bit. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is The Educated Natural, and as what you're seeing now is one of my potato plants. As you can see, it is definitely time to harvest this one right here. This was the second one that I planted at the end of March. And yes, it's overdue to be harvested, and I'll be showing you guys an updated harvest video of this being done. But this particular potato plant was completely devastated by pests. Yes, pest pressure hit this once beautiful potato plant heavily. And that's the one I was referring to when I did my live not too long ago, when I was talking about the ups and downs of gardening. So this is what this is looking like. I have taken care of it about as long as I can. There's all kind of stuff crawling on it right now, so I'm going to go and try to see what's in here. Hopes are not high for this one because early on it was attacked, but we'll see. You never know, I might run into a surprise. So let's see what else is in the garden. All right, let me turn this way. So this is one of my garlic bags that I did. I didn't know about the whole spacing thing too much, so it's probably overcrowded, which is why it's looking the way that it's looking. And just like that potato plant I just showed you, it was one of the very first things that I planted. And unfortunately, I believe it's in bad soil. And that's why things are looking the way that it's looking. Even when I come over here and I look at the onion that's in the same soil, they all look just horrible. And I think it's because it's bad soil. Because that's what happened to the starch that I lost. It was in this same type of soil, even the one that's over there. This is, what is this? This is garlic. It's another garlic. And they all look the same. This is garlic. This is onion. This one is garlic. And then this one is onion back there. And as you can see, they all look about the same, like they're struggling seriously. And it's because of that soil. And I'll go through what soil I use in the upcoming video so you guys can see what I've learned throughout this entire gardening process. Now, here is 3 different types of peppers. This one is a California Wonder. If I can see my finger, this one right here, the tall one. This one back here, which is really, really small. That one right there, that's a Hungarian wax pepper. And then this one is a jalapeno. This one is the jalapeno. Why are they all in the same bag? Because I ran out of bags. Don't be judging me. So I was about to let my starts go bad. So I just put them all in one. And we're going to see what happens. So this pepper here. Now my peppers, this one, and this one are all planted in my latest soil mixture. And like I said, I'll get into that later. That's after going through horrible experiences with this one and the other onion back there. But this one is, as you can see by the sign, this is a big gem. This is a big gem pepper. Both of these are big gem peppers. And then this one over here, these two over here are my bell pepper mix. Where these are seeds I took out of an actual bell pepper that I bought from the store. And these are the ones that are still with me. All right, so that's the peppers. So then this is the other potato plant. This was the very first one that I planted, and these came from out the store. And these are just like the other ones I think I failed to mention, but the first potato plant that I showed you and this potato plant are both red Norlands. Well, I know the first one I showed you is red Norlands. This one is the red potatoes that came out the grocery store. So maybe those aren't red Norlands, but they are red potatoes. Okay. All right. This one is a black creme tomato. This is that black creme tomato that I had in the black plastic pot that I thought was dying. And as you can see, she is anything but dead. She is growing real nice. Let me go in the back first. This one back here, see if you can see it. Yep, is another tomato. And this one is the beefsteak tomato. So that's a beefsteak tomato back there. This one over here is a black creme. Come out a little bit so you can see. Go around this black creme. The one beside it, this one I thought was dying because it was like in transplant shock. It was not happy when I moved it out the cup. But as you can see, it had in just 1 week, it has rebound to be a lot bigger than it was. And this one is another black creme. This one beside it is a, walk around here. This is a beefsteak. All right, so this one right here is a beefsteak. And then the one next to that is another black creme. And that one was the very tallest one when I transplanted everything out the cups. And a lot of the other ones have caught up with it. So as you can see, they are starting to, they're late to the party, but they're worth the wait. They are now starting to flower. So the flowers are coming. It took them a little bit of while because, like I said, bad soil. Here's a few of the flowers that my daughter wanted. And if you remember back in my previous video, I had these flowers in that silver pan. And I separated them out, put some in here, and I have some on my front porch. And that's her little flowers that she planted. And of course, these are the onions that I showed earlier. No, that's the garlic. I'm sorry. That's the garlic that I showed earlier. That's on the struggle bus, y'all. So that's basically all of, now I'll kind of pan out a little bit, all of my gardening area that I have left. Like, this is everything that's still holding on, y'all. Holding on, y'all. So that's where I am now. I will be hopefully doing a fall garden. This will be the first time I'll try that. Of course, you guys know I'm a new gardener, so I'm learning as I'm going. And of course, listening to all of you all as I'm going through this journey. But here is something I will tell you. And that is, if possible, put out a plant, especially if you see one that's dying, put it out near the stuff that you really see trying to survive. Put out a, what would you call it? A sacrificial lamb. Put out a sacrificial crop like I did right here, because these worms aren't bothering my other stuff. Thank you, Jesus. But they are decimating this stuff over here. These little, y'all, these cabbages were doing so good. And now, as you can see, in less than 24 hours, these worms have had a field day. And he's still munching away. And so is that one down there. They had a field day. And it may be another one somewhere on here that I'm just not looking for because I don't see anymore. But these two just alone have had a complete mortgage board around here. And so, these are some basil seeds that I just kind of threw in here to see what would happen. And they have germinated and are growing up. And so I'll be feeding them coming up soon. And so that's kind of where I am right now. So the next video you'll probably see, if I don't attach it to this video, it'll be a video in itself. And that'll be me doing my harvest of my potatoes. So I know this one is due. Should I wait a little bit longer on that one, this potato, or should I just go and do them both? You let me know. And we'll see y'all in my next video. This is The Educated Natural. If you ever need to reach out to me, I would invite you to go to my website at www.theeducatednatural.com. Or if you really want to be a part of our one-on-one time that we do bi-weekly, that I do with my members, look where you see the subscribe button. You should see a button that says join. Click there, pick level 2, and you will be a part of our artisan members where we have bi-weekly one-on-one group meetups, and we have our talks and live streams, and we just have a ball in a very secure, private setting. And we learn a lot. That's where a lot of my educational things are happening at now. And I look forward to seeing you there. All right, guys, like I always say, be blessed. Continue to be a blessing to others. Until the next time we get together, enjoy your journey, everyone. First, it was the bug on the plant. Now look at here. Look what I see. Inside my fence this time, y'all. Where you going? Yeah, I see you. You just stay on that side. Just stay on the back side of the yard. I tell y'all, this should be called Window Chronicles at this point, because every time I look out this window, I see something. Well, as you can see, there's never a dull moment in the garden. Just stay on over there, help us with the grass, because we're about to come out there and cut the grass, but go on and get your graze on before we get out there. As long as he's eating the grass, that means he's not worried about my garden over here, and I'm fine with that. I see you, Mr. Rabbit. I'm looking out this window again. Guess who I see? Y'all, look at here. First it was the bug on my plant. Now I got a rabbit. We're about to go out and cut the grass. And it seems like we got a little help. I see you. Yeah, I see you. I'm looking out the window again. There's always something going on. You better not bring your... I know he's not hopping over here, he or she. Come on in the light. Come on in the light then. Come on over here. Oh, no, he gonna hide now. He hiding down the grass, y'all. It's always something. Always something. I see you, though.